welcome to Carroll Motor Company's video tutorial series here on YouTube. If you like these videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share it with your fellow motorheads. Today we are going to show you how to replace the air filter on your new Carroll brand 16 horsepower gas engine with electric starter option. The best thing about this type of engine is you don't need any tools for this job. Simply twist off the plastic wing nut that holds the housing in place. You'll see the air filter inside, held in place on a long bolt with a metal wing nut. Twist it off and remove the air filter. It will pop right off. Swap it out with the new air filter, carefully lining up the center holes of the air filter with the bolt and the plastic base. Then twist the wing nut back into place. Put the air filter housing back on with a plastic wing nut and you're all set to go. Doesn't get much easier than that. We hope this video was helpful for you. Our job at Carroll Motor Company isn't just to provide you with quality engines, but the service quality to match. If you have any questions and would like to talk to a human being right away, call 888-208-2088. For full stock listings and prices, visit carrollstream.com.